The fast and fartiest. Sweet. Young lady, you got some learning to do. Have you ever drove a go-kart before?
No.
This is going to be the fastest thing you ever drove before. Well, who knows? Maybe your boyfriend's car is pretty fast.
Yeah.
Now let me give you some lessons.
Which is the clutch? This one?
Yep, it's same as a car. It's the clutch. Brakes in the middle. So now the trick is if you stall it, it won't start unless it's in neutral. Here's how you find neutral. First gear is all the way forward. Just goes click.
Yeah.
There, and second gear is all the way back. It goes click again. But if it's in second, neutral is halfway forward. If it's in first, then neutral is halfway back.
Okay.
Because if you can't find neutral, the key doesn't work. Nothing. It's just got a safety feature on it. It's very bumpy. When you get up to the end of the laneway, you'll have to. It won't turn on the gravel. There's not a wide enough space. So you sort of got to turn onto the grass and make a big U-turn. Just make sure you don't hit the gate that's open. So it should be in neutral. So probably the first try you'll just use first gear.
Yeah.
And don't try to do any slide outs here because you could slide around and hit a car or a tractor. And just like a car, make sure you ride the clutch a little bit so you don't stall it. The whole world is watching, you know.
Ride the clutch?
So, turn the key and see if it's in neutral. See if it starts. There you go. Give it a few revs. Rev it a bit. Push the clutch. Okay, forward, push. Okay, give it some gas and slowly let go of the clutch. No. Slowly let go of the clutch. Now pull it halfway back. Okay, start it. You gotta push the clutch down a little farther next time.
How far? Okay.
More gas. Lots of gas. Don't be afraid to do a burnout. It's just gravel.
Okay, let's try this again.
Is it in neutral? Perfect. Every time you touch the gas, it spins its tires. It's so touchy. After a bit of trouble on the turnaround, she's back. Well, there's no place to turn around down there. Oh, that's good. Turn the key off. Blew your top off?
Wow.
It's fast, eh? Was it harder to drive than the dump truck? I think so.
Yeah.
It's just that it scares you. When you touch the gas, it just goes vroom,
Yeah.
revs right up. Then you think you're going to take off too fast, right?